So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Juliana Njeri, and if you're new, karibu sana. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can get all my new videos immediately when I post them. So guys, mkiona background mnajua tu niko jikoni. So karibu jikoni, and today I'm going to show you a simple recipe. Any two recipe ingine tu rahisi. It's nice, you can take it breakfast, lunch, when it's hot, any time of the day. So let me show you guys. So I have ice cream here. It's vanilla. I have Oreos. Kwa hii nyumba, since tuko na hogs, wameamua kucheza kama hao, but anyways, it is what it is. Alafu we have milk. We need a blender so that our recipe can work out well. So twende kazi. Since nimewambia kwa nyumba kuna hogs, usishtuke. So this is what you're going to do. Take your ice cream. I'm using vanilla. Economy ya Kenya haitaki jokes, so lazima tusafishe vitu. Take your Oreos. Remember, all this is going to depend with the quantity ama tuseme the number of people you have in the house or something of the sort. So kama you want it for, okay, it depend tu mko wangapi kwa nyumba. Yeah, sisi tunakuanga wengi kwa hii familia, so I'll use like 4. My hands are clean, so useme sijaosha, nimeosha mikono. Then take your milk. Hapa tunafungua kiugetu. You can use either a cup ama half. It depends tu venye unataka. Kama mko wengi, the more the ice cream, the more the milk. And you don't have to use Oreos apana. It can be plain. You can just add whatever. Okay, sijui, but utasikia kelele kidogo, so So guys, as you can see, it looks like this. So sinimwambia kwa nyumba tuko wengi, so wacha niweke kando alafu I make the other one. The same recipe and procedure. That's the same thing that I'm going to do. So yeah. So guys, wacha niwaambie kitu moja. What's the point of, okay, kuna points sijakata, but milkshake kwa ukienda mahali it's 250, 300, it depends. But most of you don't know you can make milkshake at home, and this is the recipe. Si ngumu. Ingredients ni tu vitu zenye unaweza zipata tu hapo kwa super hapo mbio ukienda, and you'll be good to go mbio. So I'm adding more juu ni kidogo. Tuko wengi. Add your Oreos. I think this is enough. and your milk again. So guys, as you can see, my beautiful dira from Shop with Kerry. You can always get yours from Shop with Kerry. She has affordable diras and nice diras. So kimbeni hapo and support her. Yeah. And you're done. Imagine just like that. Kitu ya seconds and you are done. As dessert, breakfast, lunch, dinner, yoyote yenye unajisikia. So let me taste for you guys. So cheers guys. I wish ningewapatia nyinyi wote but siwezi, so but you've seen the recipe, you can always check and have it and do the recipe. So until next time, see you later. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. The more you subscribe, unanipe pia mimi morale ya kuwekea content after content and after content. So until next time, see you guys. I love you all.